Okay, we are in tropical storm territory. I hear thunder. The wind has really picked up now. This does not look good. This is not looking good at all. It is 9 p.m. on Wednesday evening. And we are really starting to feel some of the tropical force winds now. There's some lightning. Just saw some lightning. This is not looking good at all. And this is just the beginning. This has really just begun for us. And this can continue straight through Thursday like this. We could have a full 24 hours of this because the storm is moving so slowly. And then you can see now it looks like it died down. So we're getting these bands of rain and wind that come through, but they're becoming more frequent now. And they're becoming more severe every time they happen. So you'll get like 15 minutes on and 10 minutes off. But you can see by these palm trees, they are getting blown around. The ground is really, really wet right now, and I hope this wind isn't strong enough to push one of these down. Yeah, you saw that. Wait for the thunder. Oh my God. You can see the Tesla is starting to get leaves blown on it. Man, I hope I'm making the right decision leaving this thing outside. Maybe I should swap it out with something else. Maybe I should bring the STI outside instead. I'm really worried about this car. But anyway, it's starting to get nasty here. And this is the West Orlando area. We're on the west side of Orange County, and this is what life is like today. It's rough. This palm tree looks like it's holding up pretty good. Doesn't look like anything's like about to come down. Same with the other one. I'm more worried about someone else's tree limbs coming down and getting blown into my vehicles out here. And you can see it calm down again. Just gonna let the camera roll a little bit to see if we catch more lightning, but that lightning strike before, look, that flash of lightning looked really bad. See, now look at it. It calms down. I'm standing right beneath my porch right now. I don't want to venture any further out into the driveway in case I stand a chance of getting hit by lightning. Never know. But I wanted to give you guys a taste of what we're going through right now, and it can only get worse. Over the next 24 hours, it's only going to get worse. Here it comes again. Wow. Look at those trees. And I saw that coming. The wind picked up, and then you saw the big lightning flash. So we're in for a rough night. I'm probably not going to sleep at all tonight because I'm too nervous about the house and the vehicles and the roof. Worried about trees falling down around us. Wow. You can hear the thunder in the distance. Oh boy, we're in for a long night. So wish us luck. This is just a little piece of what we're going through. Wanted to give you guys a little view of what a tropical storm looks like, and soon to be a Category 1 hurricane rolling through our area. So stay tuned. I'll post as long as I have internet access. I'll let you guys see what's going on, what we're going through. So wish us luck. We're gonna need it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.